So what to do with all the moving boxes after you've moved? Here's a great do-it-yourself idea and a Halloween costume all at once. We're going to take these wardrobe boxes and we're going to make a roller coaster ride for Halloween. A normal wardrobe box, and we're going to turn it to the widest part. And we figured about 8.5 inches up here. We started marking all along the way to create a line that we're going to draw. Now some of these we actually painted ahead of time, but other ones we're not. We're still trying to figure out the most efficient way. We're going to be making 6 cars. So then we drew a line all the way down here with that line. And that's the first cut that we're going to make. So this is going to be the footrest of this, and then in the centerpiece here is where we're going to draw our template for the hole where the two of us are going to be standing in. Make sure you leave enough room in the front because you're going to need a place to anchor the harness and the crossbar. And now we're ready to cut. You need to cut up on something else so you don't cut through your carpet or your hardwood floor. We learned that the hard way. Make sure to save an extra box beyond what you need so that you'll have a prototype to work with.
So now the next step is to paint the boxes black and assemble them.
I have no idea what you guys are up to, but it looks really cool. I'm excited to take a ride.
In the prototype we made, we taped it all up first, and then we realized that it was better to do the painting while the boxes were flat.
Judy's gotten a lot done. I'm just starting my painting duties. I think that we need a much bigger roller. Gloves would be good, and a possible paintbrush. I don't think our paper plate's working too well. We're very prepared in buying and selling houses, but not so prepared in the painting department.
Yeah. So now we have the boxes all ready and all painted. To figure out where the front is, look where you did the cutout, and the wide part here, we know that's the front. So this is gonna bend down, and this part is gonna come up, and this is gonna be your footrest. And then this part is gonna come up and over to be the cab. We have this extra piece here, and we're not sure what we're gonna do with it yet. So we might be using that, so we're gonna keep it on for now. We bought noodles online, and through the hole in the noodle, we're going to be able to fish a PVC pipe in order to be able to support the cars. We've experimented with different type of tape, but they make a black tape, which is going to help us not to have to repaint all the tape joints.
So the next step, I think this is tip number 5, making your graphic for the side, the chair numbers. Use your PowerPoint and you can get a graphic, and then you can add verbiage, or the banner team, so we're the banner bomber, and then the seat numbers. Then print them on legal paper. Then when you cut them, stack them and cut them, and they all look the same. And then look, here's the logos, one for each side of every seat.
We all made our own legs.
My partner and I are going to be athletes from the local high school. First, find your shoes. Then get a pair of gym shocks, stuff them with polyfill, or I use a little bit of the bubbles right here, and shove it in there. Then use your safety pins, pin the sock on the inside, put your hand through the sock and pin it into the lip. See, and it's all connected. Okay, here's the finished product. The legs are stuffed. Remember, we're trying to keep it lightweight. So you can hear that's the outside, comes around. This is going to attach into the roller coaster, and then my partner and I will each be wearing the sweatshirts up top. So there it is.
James Corden would be so proud. We went out in the crosswalk and did our performance for the people of Bethesda. They loved us. If you like us, follow us on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook at Banner Team.